Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. This is Jasmine, and I was away on vacation. That's why you didn't see any videos, but I was able to do a quick haul. I wanted to get started again and use some of those ECBs that were about to expire. So I didn't do too many deals because some of them we're gonna get some mystery coupons like cosmetics products. So for those, I'm gonna wait for tomorrow. But this is my quick haul. The first trip deal was getting the 10 ECB when you spend 30. So the first item I got was the right guard. I also got the 10 packs and also some Tide Pods. So this is what I did, and I was able to reach $30. So I bought two of the 10 packs. The buy one and the other one, it will be 50% off. So one was $9.19 and the one was $4.15. The right guard was the same thing, but in my store was for $4.99. The other one was I think it was $2.50, and for the pods I got two pods for $4.94. I had some coupons that made the transaction a lot less, so I was able to use, as I show you in the picture, I had a coupon deducting off 3 for 10 packs from CVS and one deducting 1 from deodorant, and also most of the coupons I used my CVS app. After all those coupons were deducted and the register, I paid $16.15. I got back 10 ECB at the end of my receipt, so my total came out to $6.15 or just $1.03. I also wanted to take advantage of the deal for Physician Formula. I really love this brand, and I needed a blush. And I also already had a 3 off 12 CVS Cosmetics. So what I did, I purchased a blush for $13.99. I used that coupon deducting 3, so I paid $10.99, but I got back 10 ECB, making it 99 cents for the blush. So in everything that I purchased, my total would have been $56.33. Yes, even though just in a few items you see in the picture, it would have been more than $50 after all the deductions and special price. It deducted $29.19, and also I had a beauty ECB that I just received. So in ECBs was $23, including that beauty ECB. So my total haul was for $4.14. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was a quick haul, and if you did, I made to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video. Bye.